Next, let's test for significance. Is the model significant? So here, remember, the model is this. Yeah. And a regression model is considered significant, okay, if at least one slope coefficient is different from 0. If all of them are equal to 0, then the model is not significant. So we have H sub 0. Okay, null hypothesis is always that the model is not significant. Okay. Subscript. The model is not significant. That is, all the slope coefficients are equal to 0. So that's the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is the model is significant, and that is at least one slope coefficient is not equal to 0. So that's our hypothesis for significance of regression model. And for us to be able to test the significance, we need some assumptions, because we need probability now. What is the probability that at least one beta is different from 0? And for us to be able to use that probability, we'll be using the F statistic. For us to be able to use that F statistic, we need 4 different assumptions. Okay. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit. I have already worked all of this out, so I'm going to just copy paste the assumptions, which you could probably do too when you do your homework. And I will go over these. So with these 4 assumptions, then our p-value becomes valid. So our conclusion is what? Since p-value is less than, it's very small, so what do? You reject or do not reject? So the p-value gives you the probability of getting it wrong when you reject. So if p-value is so small, then the probability that you are wrong when you reject another hypothesis is negligible. So you can go ahead and reject it. So, reject HO regression model is significant, right?